Hello, my dear third class students, third class children. Are you listening the lessons? Did you practice the diagrams what we learned in previous classes? Yes, children. Did you practice digestive system, excretory system, and breathing system? You have to practice well one more time. Okay, whenever you are leisure, you have to practice the diagram, children. Okay, today we are going to discuss about safety rules. That is the one more interesting lesson. That is new lesson. Okay, what is the name of the lesson? Lesson number 6, safety rules. Okay, children, safety means what is the meaning of safety? Safety means safety means staying away from danger or harm. Okay, safety means staying away from danger or harm. It is the state of being safe. Okay, so let us know what are the safety rules we have to follow at home, in the school and on the road. Okay, children, we must take care ourselves so that we do not, we do not get hurt. Okay, we must take care ourselves so that we do not get hurt. So to avoid getting hurt, we should follow the safety rules. Wherever you are, you have to follow the safety rules. Okay, children, wherever you are means you are on the road or in the school or at home, definitely you have to follow the safety rules. Every day we are listening the news of accidents. Okay, accidents happen anywhere, anytime, any place. Okay, we listen the news by reading newspaper, by watching the television, by listening the news in radio. Okay, children, so accidents happen anywhere, any place, any time. Okay, children, so people get hurt during the accidents. No, sometimes some people may die during the accidents. So we can avoid accidents if we are careful and follow the safety rules. Okay, children, let us know about what are the safety rules you should follow at home. Okay, we should follow the safety rules at home and on the road and in the school. Okay, what are the safety rules you should follow at home? Let us discuss about these. Okay, children, see here, don't play with matchstick. Don't play with matchsticks. Already you are playing, I saw many times in our surroundings. The children are children bringing the matchbox from their homes and simply playing with matchsticks. If you play with matchsticks, what will happen to you, children? What will happen to you? Your fingers may burn. Your fingers may burn and blisters are formed. They can get septic. Okay, children, don't play with matchstick. Okay, you have to play with toys or ball or safety things. Okay, children, don't use matchbox. Okay, don't play with matchbox. Okay, children, if you play with matchbox, okay, your fingers may burn. Your fingers may burn. Blisters are formed on your skin. Okay, children, don't play with matchsticks. Okay, and see, don't touch hot water. Okay, and see, don't play with knife. Don't play with knife. Many children using knife for cutting the fruits and vegetables. Okay, but use knife, but be safe. Okay, be alert while cutting the fruits and vegetables. Otherwise, your fingers may cut. Blood is bleeding from the wound. Okay, children, if you want to eat apple or if you want to cut the fruits or vegetables, ask your mother. Okay, she only helps you. Okay, children, don't cut the vegetables and fruits with the knife, children. Sometime, okay, you may get hurt. Your fingers may cut. Okay, children, don't play with the knife and don't play with the scissors. Okay, don't play with the scissors. Okay, don't play with the blades. Don't play with the knife and don't play with the matchsticks. Okay, all these are very dangerous for you, children. You may get hurt. If you play with these things, you may get hurt. Your fingers may cut, your fingers may burn, you may get wound, blood is bleeding from the wound, you may lose so much of blood, okay, you may get hurt. Children, listen, okay, don't play with these objects, matchsticks, okay, and knife and scissors. Will you follow, Amma? Okay, don't never play with these things. They may hurt. Okay, children, if you play with these, you may get hurt. Okay, children, and don't use medicines. Okay, don't use medicines, Amma. Okay, if you want to take a medicine or tablets, ask to mom. Okay, ask to mom. All these medicines keep in safe place. Okay, children, don't take medicines, Amma. Okay, and yes, don't take medicines without asking your parents. Okay, if you want to take a tablet or any syrup, ask to mom. Okay, she only helps you. Okay, children, all medicines keep in safe place, children. Okay, and also see, don't touch hot water or hot utensils. For bathing, we have to use hot water, no children? Yes, if the water is boiling or not, some children keep fingers in the water. You may get hurt. Don't touch the hot water and hot utensils. Okay, children? Your mother may use help to you, no children? Yes, don't touch the hot water. If hot water may spills on your body, yes, your skin may burn, no? Your skin may burn. If hot water may spills on your face or on your hands, okay, that place become reddish color, okay, and your fingers may burn, no children? Yes, so many blisters also formed on the skin. If you prick the blisters, they may get septic. Okay, children, don't pour hot water. Okay, don't touch the hot water. Don't touch the hot utensils. If you touch the hot utensils or hot water, what will happen? Sometimes they may spills on your face, sometimes they may spills on your hands or body. Okay, and you may get hurt, no? Yes, definitely we may get hurt when hot water may spills on our body. Okay, sometimes skin becomes reddish color. Okay, and blisters, round backlash structures are formed on the skin. Okay, fully covered with white pus. If you prick the blisters, yes, that wound can hurt. Okay, children, don't touch the hot utensils and hot water. Okay, you may get hurt when we touch the hot water, and you may touch the hot utensils. Okay, children. Now next, see, don't touch electrical appliances. What are the electrical appliances present in our home? Number of electrical appliances we use every day in our homes. Yes, nowadays people depend on electrical appliances. Okay, they only reduce our work. Okay, mixer grinders, washing machines, televisions, toasters, hair dryers. Okay, iron boxes. Okay, no, so many electrical appliances we are using every day. But don't touch electrical appliances with your wet hands. Wet hands. If you want to touch the electrical appliances, you have to clean your hands. If the hands may dry, you have to try to use. But don't touch the electrical appliances with your wet hands. If you touch the electrical appliances with your wet hands, you may get shock. You may get shock. Many people also die during the shocks. Okay, children, don't touch any electrical appliances with your wet hands. Okay, you may get shock if you touch the electrical appliances or plugs or switches. Okay, and brake device, you may get shock. Okay, children, will you follow all these? Don't touch electrical appliances with your wet hands. Never touch the electrical plugs and switches and cords. Okay, heaters, water heaters. Okay, don't touch. Okay, children, if you touch, you may get shock and you may get hurt. Okay, children, now see here, don't cover your face with pillow. Pillow means what? Dillu. Okay, if you cover your face with pillow, what will happen, Amma? You may feel discomfortable for for breathing children. Okay, while before sleeping you have to use the pillows, no children, but don't cover your face with pillow. Don't cover your face with pillow like this. You feel discomfortable for breathing children. Okay, you may feel discomfortable for breathing children. Don't cover your face with pillow or any blankets. Okay children, okay, before sleeping you have to use the blanket, but you should cover your body. You should cover your body before going to sleep, but don't cover your face with blankets and pillows. You feel very discomfortable for breathing. Okay, breathing is not sufficient for us if you cover your face with pillow or blanket. Okay children, yes. Now see here, and don't take medicines without asking your parents. If you want to take tablets or medicines, ask to your mother. She only gives to you. Okay children, all the if you see any tablets or syrups, any medicines, please keep all these things in a better place. Okay, safe place. Okay children, if any small children are there, they don't know which is good, which is not good, whether it is good or not. That's why unexpectedly they are taking medicines. Sometimes it may danger. Okay, leads to death. That's why don't take medicine, amma. Okay, if you want to take medicine, please ask your mother. Okay, please take permission your mother. Okay children, don't take medicine without asking your mom or dad. Okay children, now see, do not leave your books, bags, toys on the floor. Okay, after reading, after complete your homework, you have to keep all the books in a safe place, almaras or yourselves. Okay, otherwise you may fall down, and some grandparents also may slip, if you yes, if you keep the books and toys okay, here and there, they may yes, they may keep their legs on the books and toys. Suddenly they may slip and fall. Okay, that can damage their legs and hands. Okay children, after reading, this is good habit to keep all the things in safe place or better place. Okay, will you follow ma? After reading, you have to close your books and keep inside the bag, and keep the bag in safe place in almaras or shelves. Okay children, will you follow all these? Okay, after playing with the toys, you have to keep all the toys okay, in safe place. Otherwise grandparents may slip and fall. Okay, and they may get hurt, no children. Okay, and next one, see, don't spill water or oil on the floor. Recently I saw in my house some children are playing with water. Okay, if you play with water, but if you want to play with water, better to go outside of the house. Okay, it is better. If you want to play with water inside the home, water may spills on the floor, you may fall down, you may slip and fall down, your grandparents may slip and fall down. Okay, they may get hurt. That's why if you want to play with water, better to go outside of the house and play. Okay children, don't spill water or oil on the floor. Sometimes it may leads to accidents. Okay, and bones may be broken. Okay, yes children, and yes, already Diwali completed, the Diwali festival completed ma. Okay, we wear only cotton clothes when we go near the fire, or lighting the crackers or burning the crackers. Okay, it is very safe to wear cotton clothes. Okay children, will you follow all these? What are the safety rules you should follow at home? What are the safety rules you should follow at home? See, don't play with matchsticks, don't play with knife and blades or sharp things. Don't play with electrical appliances. Don't touch with electrical appliances with your hands. Okay, and don't cover your face with pillow. Okay, and don't take medicines without asking your mother, and also don't leave your books here and there. Okay, grandparents may slip and fall down. Okay, Okay, don't spill water or oil on the floor. You may slip and you may fall down. Okay, it is better to play outside of the house with water. Okay children, and tomorrow we will discuss about some more safety rules. Okay children, bye, take care.